Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel. If you are looking for good quality earbuds on an optimal budget, then you are watching the right video. In this video, I have fixed the earbuds considering the quality, durability, demand, customer rating, and order, etc. I hope you like my earbud reviews and you get the first-rate earbuds you want. You may request that the video be watched in full, as the video is larger. All the links of the earbuds are in the description, below the video. Subscribe on my channel, and click on the bell, to stay up to date with the latest technology reviews. So, let's get started with the video. In number 5, the best earbud is Tronsmart, Onyx, Ace Noise Cancellation Wireless Earbuds. Bluetooth technology has come a long way, since the first wireless headphones hit the market. These days, there are plenty of excellent audiophilic earbuds. You can select the Onyx, Ace earphones, a good choice. They are designed to be comfortable first and foremost. Featuring a user-friendly design, that allows you to use your fingers, or your voice to control most of their commands and functions. They can also be worn for long stretches of time without making your inner ear sore. Recently this earbud price is $32.39. The chip we use in the earbuds is Qualcomm QCC 3020. It is the most advanced earphone chip there is, which means the most stable signal connection, better sound quality, lower power consumption, Bluetooth 5.0 and HD rendering technology, producing incredible high-quality sound with deep bass. True Qualcomm aptX audio technology works with the enlarged 13mm driver to deliver high-fidelity studio-quality sound that is clear and bassy. 4 microphones and environment noise cancellation technology guarantee crystal clear and loud call quality. The most advanced Qualcomm chips have lower power consumption, which means that the earbuds can be used continuously for 5 hours after being fully charged. The charging case provides up to 4 times more charge for the headphones. In total up to 24 hours. Thanks to the IPX5 waterproof, protects your headphones from rain, splashes, and sweat for undisturbed use. Small and lightweight Bluetooth headsets, ergonomically designed, snug and comfortable wearing. It has 2 mini earphones with unique touch function. All functions in a touch key. The operation is more simple and convenient. The headphones can be used separately or together. Intuitive gesture controls allow users to listen to music and answer phone calls, on the go without the worry of wire entanglement. And the built-in microphone is compatible with Siri, as well as Google Assistant. In number 4, the earbud is Anker Soundcore, Life P2 True Wireless Earbuds. The Anker Soundcore, Life P2 are decent truly wireless in-ear headphones, that offer great a price-to-performance ratio. They have an almost identical design, fit, and sound reproduction as the Anker Soundcore Liberty Air 2. The Anker Soundcore Life P2 are decent mixed-usage headphones. They have a decently comfortable fit for in-ears and have good overall battery life for truly wireless headphones. Recently this earbud price is $58.51. Each earbud has 2 microphones with beamforming noise reduction and CVC 8.0 technology for superior vocal enhancement and background noise suppression. It delivers sound with a wider soundstage and exceptional accuracy and clarity. Bass Up technology enhances bass by up to 43% and aptX audio offers lossless transmission between your device and the wireless earbuds. A single charge gives you a full 7 hours of listening, while the charging case extends that to 40 hours. When you are in a rush and need power fast, simply charge for 10 minutes and get up to 1 hour of playtime. Life P2 wireless earbuds boast IPX7 rated protection, that defends against liquids in any weather conditions. This earbuds have one-step pairing system. Push and go technology streamlines the setup process. So when you remove the wireless earbuds from the charging case, they will automatically connect to the last paired device. In number 3, the best earbud is TRN BT20S PRO Wireless Earbuds. Already this earbud price is $69.80. Based on the previous model BT20, TRN has made some improvements on the new BT20S model. The new version features Bluetooth 5.0, aptX, Qualcomm QCC 3020 chip, and active noise cancelling quality audio. It also improves on the material with a textured surface. BT20S is equipped with the world's leading Bluetooth chipset, adopted by most mobile phone manufacturers, to achieve fast connection, low distortion and high-quality audio streaming over Bluetooth. Also, included FPC Bluetooth antenna provides exceptional reception and transmission in a relatively small pattern that brings robust overall connectivity when making calls or listening to the audio, as well as an easy pairing. The ear hook is made of thermoplastic elastomer. It is a tough but flexible material. It can ensure a secure and comfortable fit. It can not only bear extreme climatic heat body sweat but also times of bending and reshaping. The coating can greatly resist sweat and the splash of water. No more worry about sweating. It has DSP noise reduction technology. Qualcomm DSP noise reduction technology helps reduce background noise and echo feedback, for quieter and more seamless user experience. You can enjoy your music more clearly. This module comes with a 700 mAh built-in battery each side. It can support remarkably 8-hour-long time playtime, and up to 180-hour standby time. Enjoy your earbuds freely. In at second place, the earbud is Tronsmart Apollo Bold Active Noise Cancellation Earbuds. Tronsmart, a Chinese brand that specializes in accessories and audio products, has announced its new Apollo Bold True Wireless Earphones. Tronsmart Apollo Bold are mid-range wireless headphones that are presented for their adaptation to the latest technologies on the market, including support for active noise cancellation, battery for more than 10 hours of autonomy, and superior audio quality in charge of components manufactured by Qualcomm and debuting for the first time in this new generation. Already this earbud's price is $99.99. The Tronsmart Apollo Bold headphones adopts Qualcomm's QCC 5124 flagship chip, which has not been used in any other product. This chip supports active noise reduction and Bluetooth signal processing, so that these two functions can achieve the best effect without any interference. The headphones feature a high-fidelity 10mm dynamic driver that delivers surround sound and puts you in the center of the stage. Apollo Bold is equipped with 6 microphones, of which 4 microphones are responsible for eliminating other sound interference, and the other pair of microphones combine to clearly capture the user's voice. Besides, it can cancel noise up to 35 dB from full frequency, while most earbuds can only reduce noise up to 25 to 28 dB. The Apollo Bold adopts true wireless stereo plus synchronous signal transmission technology, to ensure that the left and right headphones receive Bluetooth signals at the same time. With IP45 dust and water resistance, Apollo Bold can resist liquids such as rain, sweat and water. They are perfect for training, running, and exercising. And they let you enjoy best sound anywhere anytime. With active noise cancellation technology. Whether you are in a noisy supermarket or on an airplane, Apollo Bold make your voice come out of the noisy environment. Not only does he receive a clear voice, but the other party on the call hears his voice very clearly. In number 1, the best earbud is JBL T220 True Wireless Earbuds. Recently this earbud's price is $125.99. JBL earbuds have pure bass sound. These Bluetooth wireless earbuds don't go for average but play standout audio. With a 12.5mm driver featuring JBL pure bass sound. These Bluetooth headphones do not skimp on sound for audio or podcasts from your phone. This earbud has no annoying wires, no tangles. Just your audio sound when and where you want it. It is compatible with both Apple iPhone and Android devices. These Bluetooth earphones with microphone offer wire-free audio and hands-free calls. They keep up while you keep moving. It has up to 19 hours of battery. Find your groove and stay in it with these Bluetooth headphones. These Bluetooth wireless earbuds give you up to 3 hours of non-stop sound from the earbuds, plus another 16 hours from the pocket-sized charging case. You can control these earbuds very easily. Go from playlist to call to voice assistant without missing a beat. Convenient buttons on the right and left, Bluetooth earbuds for switching tracks, playing, pausing, voice command, and taking calls put you in control every step of the way. You will want to keep these Bluetooth headphones in your ears non-stop, and thanks to the comfortable ergonomic design, you will be able to. These wireless earbuds are designed with all-day wear in the office, gym, or home.
Don't forget to subscribe, and I request you please share this video.